wonderful day to have achieved a milestone that Apollo Health City has completed 700 cochlear implant surgeries. All of you know that the cochlear implant surgery is a transformational surgery for patients. These little patients receive a small complex electronic device which helps achieve the sense of sound. This is different from a hearing aid in that the cochlear implant bypasses the damaged portions of the ear and directly stimulates the auditory nerve. Because of the auditory nerve stimulation, there is a sensation of sound. This sensation of sound is then translated into sound as we all know it through a long and very experienced process of the training, that is the auditory training and simulation. But this process has been going on over the last few years, and I'm extremely happy that we have completed this milestone of 700 cases. I would like to congratulate Dr. E.C. Vinay Kumar and Dr. K.V. Rambabu and the entire team for this achievement. We are filled with joy at what this brings to the lives of people. We also would like to thank our donors because a lot of this has been facilitated by the government of Andhra Pradesh. The scheme which is Aarogyasri, of the 700 cases done, approximately 300 of them have been covered by Aarogyasri. Another 350 are those who did not have the support of Aarogyasri and either the family member paid for it, raised funds, or SAHI through the support of Apollo Hospital and other donors, individual donors as well as corporate donors, has been able to bring this advanced technology within the reach of people. We are extremely happy about this milestone. I would also like to congratulate the team and say that truly this is a global service. We treat patients from Andhra Pradesh but also across the country. We also have patients from Oman, Kuwait, Dubai, Tanzania, Nigeria, and even USA and Canada. And this is of course a lot more cost effective to do this surgery in India. So for our international patients, it's a tremendous opportunity. We also would like to say that there is so much need for this service to grow because there are multiple patients who are denied this treatment because the implant itself is extremely expensive, and therefore we once again appeal to donors and corporates to come forward and assist us, because I think there can be no more beautiful sight than seeing these young children who are here with us today, happy, talking, communicating, singing, dancing, and all that is enabled by this simple surgery. Technology is great, but technology is great only when you can give it to people. When you can use technology for touching lives. This is one such occasion. Thank you all very much for being here. I hope in the near future, like I told Dr. Vinay Kumar when he messaged me from theatre saying we've done 700 cases, I told him I'm very soon looking forward to your 1,000, because a milestone is not a number. A milestone means that many people's lives have been touched. That many people's family has changed. And that's the important message. So I'd really like all of you to please meet Ashita, Rishika, Sahai, all of them. Please, children, all children, please come on stage.